One lovely summer morning, I decided to bake my favorite cake, the honey pie. So I checked the old recipe of my grandma and then gave my best at mixing everything together. While mixing the cake, I got the idea of putting the cake dough on my face. Tehe! What we are going to do now is not putting cake dough on the face. We will mix a face mask called the honey pie mask. It removes black roots and pimples, makes a smoother and clearer skin. You can see the big difference right after washing the honey pie mask off. I apply the mask once a week. Now let's start! First of all, I recommend to take the hair back. If you don't, it could be difficult getting it out of the hair. Now get the recipient. Mine is a transparent mud cup in which I fill some flour. Add 5 tablespoons of simple whole wheat flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of natural honey without any conservants nor chemicals. 1, 2, 3. Now mix everything together. Wash a fresh organic lemon and slice it in 2 pieces. It might be hot, but if you haven't got a lemon squeezer like me, just use your hands. Mix the lemon juice and the dough together until it gets a texture like this. Get a brush. I use a silicone brush, which is more skin friendly and just perfect for applying facial masks. After you've applied the honey pie mask, wait 30 minutes. I think I'm going to read a book or something. Wash the mask off with warm water and dry the face with a clean towel. Your skin should be smoother, cleaner, and most notably, just like porcelain. I wish you a lot of fun trying out the honey pie mask. Thank you for watching. See you!